Hello everyone, I'm Ruchita and today I'm going to present the EVS activity 2.4, that is soil pollution, resource overutilization and sustainability dashboard. So under this we are going to analyze the data set. So basically to have the analyzation we need to download a data set. So I'm going to download a data set from the Kaggle website. So to download a dataset, we'll just go to the Kaggle website and under that I'll search for the soil health monitoring data and I'm going to download this data, that is agriculture data for the Rajasthan. So after downloading this data, we'll get four files. So I'm going to analyze over two files, that is soil analysis and crop production. So these two files I have merged using Excel and the file is renamed as merged data. So this is our data, the merged data. This is so now I'm going to take this data for pre-processing under array. So already I have here imported one file widget. Under this file widget, I have taken the merge data as you can see over here. There are different attributes over here. Now to view the data, we'll just have one data table widget here and we'll connect it to the file widget. So here we can have a view of the whole table. So there are so many records under this table. Now we are going to handle the missing values. So to handle the missing values under this data set, we'll just going to import the impute widget. So this is the impute widget and we'll connect it to the data table. So this impute widget will be connected to the data table. And so here I'll import the missing values with the average or the most frequent values. Now we'll connect this with the data table. So we'll have a view of the data of our data. So all the null entries, it will be replaced by the average or the most frequent values under that attribute. Now I'm going to just add select column widget to select the important columns. So we'll connect it with the data table and under select column, I have already will put the district under the metas, so which I've already done. And then we are going to save this data using the save data widget. So we'll connect with the select columns and then we'll save as the merged. So the data has been now saved and we are going to analyze those data using Tableau. Now, after pre-processing, we are going to have the data visualization. So for data visualization, we are going to use Tableau. So in Tableau, I have imported a merge data that we have been downloaded from the Orange after pre-processing. Now we are going to convert this data into an interactive visualization. So let's move to the first sheet. So this sheet demonstrates the soil nutrient distribution across the districts in Rajasthan. So here I have taken the district under rows and measure values under column. So we have applied filter over here, which will give the average nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium content. Under major values, we have just included nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium content, the values. So if we randomly select any district, if I'm selecting uh, across the filters, we'll select the Ajmer district and it will display the average potassium content or the phosphorus and the nitrogen content. And if we select for all, it will display the all districts for their contents. Next, the sheet 2 is about the distribution of soil pH categories across the districts. So here I have created one calculated field, that is soil pH category. Here I have classified this as if pH level is less than 6, then the soil will be acidic. If it is less than equal to 7.5, then it will be neutral or else it will be alkaline. So this calculated field is created, and I have dragged it to the column section, under the column section, and the rows under the district section. So here you can see that all the districts have been classified into three categories, that is acidic, alkaline, or neutral. Here, the acidic district, you can see it is the Kota district and the Jodhpur and the Ajmer district of Rajasthan. They are acidic under the soil, based on the soil pH category. So here we can analyze the acidic, alkaline, and neutral districts. So based on this, we can take some actions. Then here, which districts have better soil fertility based on the organic matter is our visualization number 3. So here we have also applied filters. Under all section, we can see that the here it will classify the districts based on their soil fertility into the descending order. So we can see that the soil, for the soil type, we can select the districts which is having higher fertility. So if I'm selecting for the all type, so here we can see Jaipur district is having highest fertility. Then if I'm just selecting for the alkaline based soil, or will select for the black soil. So under black soil, we can see that Ajmer district is having high fertility. So this filter has been added for the soil type. Then the sheet 4 is depicting the distribution of soil nitrogen levels across different districts. Here you can see that the Hanumangarh and the Nagaur district, they are having the overuse, or you can say higher amount of uses of fertilizers, so the values are high, whereas the Bhilwara district is having low uses of fertilizer. Now, after analyzing the sheets, we are going to convert them into dashboard. So this is our dashboard space. We are going to drag all the sheets over here one by one, and we'll just remove this. The second sheet would be dragged over here. And finally, the third sheet will drag over here, and we'll just disable this. And the fourth sheet will be dragging over here. So after dragging the sheets over here, we are going to choose the sheet second, and we'll use it as a filter. Now, after using it as a filter, our dashboard has become interactive. If I choose the Ajmer district, so overall on the dashboard, it will results of only the Ajmer district. So we can see that on the first chart, it is showing the different potassium, phosphorus, and nitrogen content for just the Ajmer district. If I click on Jaipur, so the content for the Jaipur will be displayed. So hence, this is a visualization tool which will, if we'll apply filter, it will just show the content for that particular district. So, this project is basically aligned with different SDG goals. So, it is aligned with SDG 2 as the zero hunger, which focuses on improving the soil fertility. It is also aligned with the SDG 12, that is responsible consumption, so and production. So, by highlighting the overutilization of the soil resources, and it will promote the efficient fertilizer use. Also, this project is aligned with SDG 15, that is the life on land, as maintaining the soil quality is essential for having better terrestrial environment. Thank you.